Hi lock lovers, as you saw in my previous video, you do not need styling products or a hair dryer to get your hair in crinkles, curls, or some lock loops. All you need is some water to spritz it and some oil to seal the moisture in. That is all you're going to need. The curls will not last for a month, but it will last for a couple of days. So you're just going to spritz the hair with water and seal it with oil after you have put your style in. So these are crinkles. I braided the hair. I moistened my hands with oil first, and I just wrapped them up for the night in a style like this. And in the morning, 10 hours later, I had those crinkles that you saw. I only used oil to moisten it, to keep it moist. And these are achieved through lock loops. Again, I just looped the hair, then spritzed it when I was done. I looped it dry, spritzed it when I was done, and sealed it with oil. These curls I have here were achieved with the pipe cleaners, and I used the same method on dry hair. I just oiled my hands to avoid shedding, and I had curls. The curls lasted for 2 to 3 days. But the point is, especially if you have 100 locks or less, you can sometimes do that every 2 to 3 days with no problem. Okay, lock lovers, until next time, bye.